Final video to fix Assassin's Creed Mirage startup crash. And if your game won't launch, let me ask you, are you clicking play and the game closes immediately or crashes before showing anything? This problem usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, game files are corrupted, or system settings conflict with the game. Sometimes Windows updates or background apps also trigger start crashes. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guide with risky reinstalls, complicated registry tweaks, or confusing steps that feel impossible to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact graphics or system component that causes the startup crash. This works because it restores proper communication between Assassin's Creed, Mirage, and Windows. The method is safe, fast, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, the game launches normally, crashes stop completely, and your gameplay is ready. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If the start crash is blocking your game, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.